In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Telegram account. If you want to permanently remove your Telegram account, this process is fairly quick, but it is important to know that deleting your account is permanent. Once it is done, your messages, contacts, groups, and channels you created, and your saved messages will be removed. So before you continue, make sure you are fully ready to go through with it. To begin, open a browser on your phone. You can use any browser you prefer as long as it loads websites normally. Once your browser is open, go to the Telegram account deletion page. This is the page Telegram provides for manually deleting your account. When the page loads, you will see a field asking for your phone number. Enter the phone number connected to your Telegram account, including the country code. This part is important because if the country code is missing or incorrect, Telegram may not recognize the account properly. After entering the number, tap Next. Telegram will then send a confirmation code to your Telegram app, not by regular text message. So at this point, leave the browser for a moment and open the Telegram app on your phone. Look for the message from Telegram that contains the confirmation code, then copy or carefully note that code. Now go back to the browser and enter the code on the website to sign in. Make sure the code is entered correctly, since even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. After you sign in, you should see the option to delete your account. Select Delete Account. You may also see a field where you can choose or enter a reason for leaving. This part is optional, so you can fill it in if you want or simply leave it blank and continue. Next, tap Delete My Account. Telegram will ask you to confirm the deletion one more time. This final confirmation is there because the action cannot be undone. If you are completely sure, confirm the deletion. After that, your Telegram account will be permanently deleted. That means your messages, contacts, groups, and channels you created and saved messages will no longer be available through that account. If you think you may want access again later, take a moment before confirming to save anything important, because once the deletion is complete, recovery is not guaranteed. And that's it. That is how to delete your Telegram account.